It's your man Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a slight channel update to kind of tell you guys what's going on with me right now and kind of to explain things that I have been doing on my channel over the past couple of months. So in this video I only have like 5 things that I want to talk about, so with that being said, let's jump right into it. So as you guys can see, the elephant in the room, I've got really long hair right now, and the reason being is because when I hit 80,000 subscribers, I wanted to do like this huge transformation self haircut when I hit 100,000. So there was like a $20,000 gap, and it's been like 4 or 5 months, and I've only, grown maybe like 4 or 5,000 subscribers, and I don't want to have to wait another like year to hit 100K. So I think I'm going to be giving myself a self haircut sometime soon, and then do something a little bit different for the 100,000 subscribers special video. So I do have some really crazy long hair right now, but just know I'm probably going to be kicking off these self haircut videos again really soon. And so when we hit maybe like 95,000 subscribers, maybe I'll grow out my hair again and then do some really cool transformation video then. But regardless, I'm still going to be doing something really awesome for 100K subscribers. So when we do reach that point, I think no matter what, the video is still going to be a really good video. The second thing, and probably more important than the first thing, is the fact that the self haircuts in public video, where I focus mainly on the conversation instead of the actual haircut, those videos are coming to an end. I do plan on actually going around giving strangers haircuts in the future, but the difference is I'm not going to be focusing on the conversation. I'm going to be highly focusing on the haircut and the education tutorial aspect of the haircut. So it's still going to be fun. It's still going to be unique going around giving random people haircuts, but I'm going to be focusing more on the education aspect and the haircut aspect, more so than the conversation aspect. So really, I'm just going back to the basics of my channel and just making things how they should be and what you guys actually subscribe to watch. So I forgot to mention this in the video, and now that I'm editing, I picked it up. But next week, from May 29th through June 4th, I'm going to be basically releasing 3 of my final free haircut videos to strangers, focused on the conversation aspect of the video. So after those 3 videos, after June 4th, every video that I'm going to be posting is mainly just going back to the basics of my channel, like self haircuts, men's grooming, haircut tutorials, things like that. So after June 4th, it's just going to be going back to the basics of my channel. And then next week, I'm going to be posting 3 videos basically every other day of the free haircuts in public, focused on the conversation. So just wanted to let you guys know that next week you'll be getting a handful of videos from me. That brings me to number 3, which is basically I'm going to, now that I've been in YouTube and had my channel for a few years now, I kind of really understand and have a concrete grasp of what you guys want to see with me on my channel. And that's really just self haircuts, educational haircuts, and like men's grooming and like some DIY type things like my scalp routine and things like that. So after years of just kind of testing and taking some risks here and there with my videos and my channel, I finally like realized that, hey, like people subscribe to watch you for self haircuts, for men's grooming, for haircut education videos, for DIY things. And so because of that, I think I'm going to be limiting the risks from here on out and just kind of sticking to those aspects of the channel. So really, the channel is just going to become a whole lot better from this point on, and going back to the basics at the beginning of my channel when it was just strictly like haircuts and haircut related videos. The fourth thing that I want to talk to you guys about is during my live streams. I do live streams every Thursday as of right now. During the live stream, somebody mentioned that I should kind of gather up a bunch of footage from you guys' self haircuts. Like send me like a before 360 with an after 360. Maybe send me like your tools as well, and just create like a 2-minute video. Send me the video on my Discord, my free Discord. I'll leave the link below for you guys. But send me a link of your self haircuts, and then I'll just compile them all into one video, or we could even make this like a series. But then I'll compile it into a video, I'll react to it, and then just kind of go over things that you could touch upon to make your self haircuts better, tell you what you did right, tell you what you did wrong, and kind of, maybe we can make it a series if enough people want to send me their footage. So definitely compile some footage of your self haircuts, send me a link through Discord, whether it be like Google Drive, just send me the folder, and then I'll compile them all to a video, and then I'll make like a really fun like reaction video going over your self haircuts. And then the fifth and final thing for this video is that for the self-haircut course linked down below, I'm going to be doing a summer promotion for $99 starting on June 1st until August 31st. So you'll have the entire summer to jump in for the course for $99, and you get all of the benefits. You know, you can check out my website, alexkouras.com, to check out the entire course itself and all the benefits. But for the entire summer, June 1st to August 31st, you'll have the promotion for $99. And then after August 31st, come September 1st, I'm going to be jumping up the price again, kind of to where it's at right now. So if you are interested in learning how to cut your own hair, and you've ever just thought like maybe it'd be a good idea to start learning how to save your time and save your money by doing so, definitely check out the course for this summer promotion, because after the summer promotion, I'm not too sure if I'm going to be dropping the price back to $99 again. So this might be like a one-time only thing. But definitely, if you're interested, check it out. You'll have that opportunity starting June 1st. So those are the 5 things that I wanted to mention to you guys, just to keep you guys updated with what's going on with me and the channel itself. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Also, you can always DM me on Instagram at Alex Kouras as well. I always want to keep you guys updated, especially because things within my channel have been changing a little bit recently, because I wanted to grow out my hair, but I think because of the timing with things, I don't think now is a really good time. So I think making this update video for you guys is definitely necessary, just to let you guys know what's going on with my channel. So there's a lot to look forward to, and I'm really excited for the future of my channel, and I've got a plethora of videos in the making that I'm excited to show you guys. And you know, I hope you guys enjoy them and everything else that I have to create in the future. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Peace!